We are here. We are gonna go to Staples to get what is it called again?
Noah's passport picture.
A passport picture for Noah. Imagine a passport for a baby. That's so fun. I didn't even get mine till like when your dad got
It's
it
gonna
for
look
me.
so adorable and little
Your
baby.
dad got me a passport.
I know he did.
Your dad got me a passport.
Yeah, in like 2020, you know? No, 2022.
22, I think. Recording here. Where's your daddy?
Not sure.
Where's here?
Oh.
Can you find him?
Just to let you know. El email de...
For him. How are we gonna do it?
Nico, párate.
Achacha.
Is this okay?
Let me see. Oh, that was good.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm already ready.
What's so funny? His mugshot for being a little criminal. So you got a mugshot?